Last time on To the Horizon Sailing, we sail our boat Gemini down the Cali coast to Santa Cruz for Thanksgiving weekend. We get to visit with friends in the area and cook a 9-pound turkey on our boat. After stuffing ourselves with Turkey Day leftovers, we headed to check out the town of Santa Cruz and its beautiful beaches.
We walked to the harbor entrance to check out the breakwater we had motored through just a couple days before. We'd been told that the entrance could be treacherous at times, especially in the winter months when southeast winds create shoaling just between the breakwaters.
From land, it was easy to picture the narrow entrance in such conditions. We were glad to have been lucky with our weather window.
Y'all right there?
Yeah. My adrenaline rush for the fucking day. Jesus, I almost had a panic attack on there. That's weird. I like that.
Yeah.
After wandering around the local beaches and checking out the boardwalk, we decided it was time to get back to the boat. We spent the rest of the afternoon relaxing up on deck, planning our sail back up the coast, and watching the locals trickle in from the weekly beer can races.
Tonight's north winds 15-25, wind waves 3 to 5. West swell 4 to 5 at 11 seconds. Perfect. We had a stellar weather forecast for the sail up the coast, so we untied the lines early and started our trip home.
It was a beautiful day on the ocean. We hoisted our sails and cruised up the coast with a sweet southerly pushing us all the way home. We were visited by tons of whales and a pod of about 50 dolphins who surfed our wake, playing at our bow for almost an hour.
We saw probably about 50 dolphins just following us for like, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That was just spectacular.
Whoa! Man, that guy's going crazy. That was a funny like, oh!
Gosh, does not get better than this.
Whoa!
I know.
That's dedication right there. climbing the mast just to get some footage of this awesome entrance and see the Golden Gate way down there.
As we approached the Golden Gate entrance, we were welcomed home by a stunning sunset, whales breaching, and the shining lights of San Francisco Bay. If you liked this episode, give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, and remember, stay salty.
In our next episode, the To the Horizon crew delivers a 50-foot race boat from Mexico to the San Francisco Bay.